Guys, it's windy today. It is so windy, and I was going to do dinner over the fire, and I come out here to clean out the campsite, and the wind is blowing, and I feel like it's a fire hazard. So I'm gonna make bacon mozzarella chicken. The grandkids are here. I thought it would be cute to do the fire and do marshmallows, but I'm not gonna chance it with all the wind, so I'm taking the easy way out. Today, guys, we're cooking on the Pit Boss. Okay, so we're gonna turn it on, turn it up to about 350, and we're going to open this. Well, it slides somehow. This thing. Ooh, I dropped it, Layla. I gotta help it. My granddaughter's helping. This thing slides. And that's where the fire will be. Down in there. I smell it. There's a hole down there if y'all can see it. That's where the fire's gonna come up out of. This takes pellets, so it's gonna burn the pellets and produce flames. This really needs clean, so I'm kind of embarrassed to do this video, but hey guys, I'm not trying to be perfect, so as you can see, it's starting. It's smoking, so it won't be long now. Should see some flames pretty soon. I think this is what Pat calls the burn off. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna close the lid and I'm gonna go get the meat ready. See, the temperature is rising. Let's check it out and see if it's ready for me. There's the flame, y'all. Woo, we're ready. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys the steps on how I do this mozzarella bacon chicken. One pan is all you're gonna need. How awesome is that? And it's gonna be delicious. Okay guys, literally I'm just putting my cast iron of bacon over that fire. So no form or nice fashion. I just put it in there. I just like cut the package in half, and I basically just separated it and stuck it in here, because all you're gonna do when this is cooked is crumble it up for the topping. Okay guys, as you can see, I have let this burn. It is time to take this off. I got caught up with my granddaughter and let this go way too long. You do not want yours to look like this, so I'm gonna pick out all the best parts. We're gonna make this work. We're gonna make this work. I'm gonna post this video. We're gonna make this work. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna drain out this grease, except for like 2 to 3 tablespoons or however much you want, because now we're going to fry our chicken in the same pan. So here's what my bacon looks like. It's still edible, it's just a little bit crunchy. This isn't ideal, but it'll work. Okay guys, I got the chicken. I took whole chicken breast and I cut them in half, just like that, and I'm just going to put them in this pan and let them cook in that yummy bacon grease. So healthy, right? So healthy. Ooh, it's hot. See if I can get one more in there. Alright. Now I'm just going to let this cook, y'all. Next, guys, I'm going to add this ranch. I just got a great value type of ranch seasoning. You're just going to like sprinkle it over it to give it that ranch flavor. And I'm making a mess because you know what? That is very hot. Okay, the next thing you're going to want to add is your cheese. I've got this mozzarella, and again, just a great value mozzarella cheese. You can use whatever you prefer. You're just going to lay it over the top and let it melt. Oh my gosh, this is so yummy, y'all. So yummy. Just like that. Okay, next up, guys, is your bacon. As you can see, I've got like grease hands here. So I'm just gonna sprinkle it on top. Again, it's really hot and it's hard to get down in there. And remember, I burnt my bacon, so yeah, that's why it looks that way. And if you didn't want to fry it in bacon, y'all, you could use something else, and you could just buy like the bacon pieces. That would work too. Next, I bought chives, and then I cut them up, and I stuck them back in this package for an easy transportation. So what you're going to do is take your chives and just sprinkle them on there. Just like that. I mean, how amazing does that look? Oh my goodness. You can probably still hear it sizzling, right? And I still have some chicken left. What I'm going to do with it is I'm just going to grill it. And then I'm going to put it in like a casserole dish and do the same process except for it's grilled and not fried. So you can do this either way. You can do this over the stove, over your campfire, over your grill. Guys, there's so many versatile ways to make this type of chicken. But I showed you guys the one pan. It just takes one pan. That's all you've got to do. So I'm going to get to work, feed my grandbabies, feed my husband when he comes back out of the woods, and we're just going to enjoy the rest of our evening, and I hope you guys do too. Thanks for watching, and God bless.